Hi, I'm Paul Menta in Key West. Come have a seat at my Florida table. Key West Legal Rum sits right down in the heart of Key West. People get to come and we give them a tour, a free sample, and we invite them just to share the world of what we're doing. Being a chef down here, and I noticed that there's no distilleries in Key West, so I decided to open up the first legal distillery. I want the highest quality ingredients I can get, but locally. But then we get into flavors, taking these barrels and bringing them down to the end of the street and putting them in the ocean. We wait for that beautiful salt brine to come in there. It makes the rum smoother. Everything done here is done naturally and organically. We're working in a harmony down here. It's about coming and having an experience in Key West, and we're all responsible for that. What we like to do in the distillery is make something that goes along with the rum. We want to make the food balanced. So with the shrimp and grits, it's a perfect time for the mojito because that little bit of mint with that spiciness of the shrimp and that refreshing part of the mojito go really well together. At the end of the day, we just want you to take Key West home with you, and this is the way we're able to do it.